Hi everyone, it's Danielle with Northlawn Flower Farms. In today's video, I want to talk about pinching annuals in order to increase yield. So what does it mean to pinch an annual? Which annuals benefit from being pinched? And then we'll go ahead and pinch some of my double-click cosmos together so you can see it being done up close. But let's just talk about what is pinching an annual. Well, you have an annual and it sends up a central stem. Pinching means you're removing that central stem in order to create branching from below the cut. And it's really easy to do, and plants that benefit from this technique are things that are going to branch naturally. Things like snapdragons, zinnias, dahlias, marigolds, amaranth. Anything that branches and naturally produces multiple stems benefit from being pinched. It's going to produce longer stems and stronger stems, and we want both of those things to happen. And the only thing that you don't want to pinch is a flower that only produces one stem and one flower. Something like a single stem sunflower, or there are some varieties of celosia, such as the Bombay celosia, which only produces one flower head for us. We wouldn't want to pinch those things because we're pinching off the only flower that we're going to receive from that plant. But it's really quite easy to do. When the plants are between 8 and 18 inches tall, we're just going to snip off the top 3 to 4 inches, and then it's going to branch from that cut. So let's go ahead and pinch some things together so you can see exactly what I mean. Okay guys, so here we are with our area where we have our double-click cosmos, and I'm going to go ahead and pinch a few for you. So let's get close on one of the plants. You can see the plants at this point are about 12 inches high. So what I want to do is snip about 3 to 4 inches off the top of the plant, and I want to do it just above a set of true leaves. So I want to make the cut here, okay? You can see there's a set of true leaves, a leaf and a leaf, and you can even see these other branches that it's going to be pushing out. It will push out even more once I make this cut. So I'm going to cut right here, 2 to 3 inches down, 3 to 4 inches down rather, right above a set of true leaves. Okay? I've just pinched that plant, and I've told this plant what I want it to do is push out more lateral side shoots for me. I know that might look a little bit painful if you've never done it before, but it really is going to increase your yield. And that's really all there is to it. Well guys, that's all there is to pinching annual plants. It really is an easy job, and it will give you longer stems, more stems, and healthier plants. And hey, we all want that, don't we? Well, until next time, happy gardening. Bye!